Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial video. In this tutorial, I'm about to show you how to update your address detail on DBS bank account. I'll be guiding you throughout this video. All you have to do is watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. First, before getting started, make sure to check your internet connection and also make sure that you're logged in. So once you're logged in into your account, this is what the interface is going to look like. So then tap on the More option in the bottom right corner of your screen. After you tap on it, next scroll down right to the bottom and then tap on Update Particular. So once you tap on Update Particular, there's a drop down menu. So from there, you'll have to tap on Address Detail. Next page, tap on Update. So then on the other page, tap on Find Address in order to update your residential address. Once you're done updating your address detail, tap on Save, which is right at the bottom. And once you're done, tap on Confirm in case you want to update your mailing address. All you have to do is you'll have to go back to the mailing section once again. So that is how you can update your address detail on DBS bank account. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.